Okay, welcome to the first edition of the um Ket be bye bye I know. The Haitian show. This is channel 76.5. On this first episode, I'm going to what we have in a Haitian household, know what I mean? The first thing you find in a Haitian house is if you don't have Haitian bread, you're not Haitian. Fucking haitian, I mean, multi haitian, right? Too sure. That one could do, man. You guys might get jealous, know what I mean? To go along with that pen, you need some mamba. Haitian mamba. Straight out of Haiti. Yeah, I know it says Skippies, but trust me, it's mamba straight out of Haiti, baby. Mamba guy. Mamba guy. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So pen and mamba, good. In the Haitian house, when you're eating rice leftover yesterday, the day before yesterday, you know what I'm saying? You need some pickles, know what I mean? The good pickles, the Haitian pickles, know what I mean? Woo! Oh my eye. Know what I mean? Bon pickles. I know it's almost finished. You're gonna go next to pour manger, know what I mean? Another thing Haitian need is you need coffee. For bon coffee. Bon coffee, brother. Bon bagay, dit it. Bon bagay. No bagay. You also need the l'huile masqueti, but my mom's hiding the l'huile masqueti for me. She know I love to play with my l'huile masqueti. You know what I mean? If you know what I mean. And this kind of wraps up the basics in the Haitian household, and get ready for the second episode of what's this thing called again? I call it the, well, I'll give you a name next week. Okay, bye bye.